I want you to know the power of the underground.
We'll fight alone, just as we used to do in those days.
All right. Fight just like we used to do.
But I rep Philly.
Yo, hip-hop, this is the first genre that I heard, and looks like shining shot of Larry Bird. And if you know hip-hop, your hands swinging above, because I hold this kind of music with love. Yo, Baluarte ng Cavite is the one who represent the Filipino hip-hop in one hood. Even though Francis Magalona is died, I am the one who praying, and there's a teardrops in my eye. Yo, Collide and Slim O are become a legend, like Tupac and Dr. Dre in the chasing of the motherfucking rappers that you are opponents. I will fight with the microphone, these are we chosen. Be a Filipino and continue my game, cause this is our culture, don't be ashamed. Music is my best friend and my light and shade. Other people said fuck the rap, and I'm said, why are you taking the risks of your rude mouth? Because you have no understanding in Filipino rap. Would you like to write a song with me? Make sure your soul is full of hip-hop like me. Amaya Kropono and BNC alliances, everyone and the other rapper that access their dreams to be the one in one world of hip-hop. Altogether the Filipino was built up.
We'll fight alone, just as we used to do in those days.
All right. Fight just like we used to do.
But I rep Philly.
Mikropono aking sandata, liriko ang binabara. Milya-milya mana, nilalatag ko ng mga bara. Kultura'y aking ahagan hanggang sa ako'y tumanda. Inulma ko ang sarili sa lahat, laging handa. At tinakma ko kada pyesa, parang baraha binala. Sa pinag-aralan ng mabuti, parang libro kong binabasa. At ako'y itinakda upang palawigin ang konsepto. Sang doktor na binahagi ang kalaman sa isang konsyerto. Ganyan kami mga musikero na galing pa ng Pinas. Sa larangan na ito ang humarang sa amin pilas. At gilas ang sinumang makakita sa aming talento. Lahat ng mga kritiko naaasar, panay kuming. Wala na ba talastas, kami pumapagaspas. Talas na di lang humihiwa, di pinapalagpas. Mob Dogs, yan ang grupo kong pinagmulan. Baluarte ng Cavite, patuloy sana simulan.
We'll fight alone, just as we used to do in those days.
All right. Fight just like we used to do.
But I rep Philly though.
Some of my words are not easy to write, cause I'm a beginner and all of my life lost because I sacrifice a fuck a life in our genre. Like the 8 curves that make the powerful chakra. This is my first song that you wrote for me, yo. Special thanks to BNC, Geno and Slim O. After that, you will enjoy my beautiful poem, and the other day you recognize me like an agent.
Inanda ko ang sarili, di naisipang huminto. Patuloy lang sa paglikha hanggang makakuha ng ginto. Ilang beses nang nadapa, lagi pa rin na bumabangon sa tagumpay na hinahanga, diretso pa rin hinahamon. Nilalamon ng sino mang tumapak sa kinamulatan, di nagpatalo sa iba, makamit lang ang karangalan. At kasama si kulay ng Amaya ang mikropono, itataas aming bandila, hawak ang mikropono.
We'll fight alone, just as we used to do in those days.
All right. Fight just like we used to do.
But I rep Philly though.